artificial intelligence, not artificial intelligence. It is a proper artificial intelligence. Each signal should have a countdown.
तुका आतां वायलेशन पडलें, तुका कॅमेरान दवरलो तो चलन नंबर चलन आमकां कित्याक लागून चलन पडला. इज इट हॅपनिंग दॅट यू आर रँडमली सिलेक्टिंग पीपल अँड गिविंग चलन.
ट्रॅफिक फायन्स भरपाक खात्या वतीन फक्त 7 दिसांची मुदत दिल्ल्यान पणजे आरटीओ कार्यालया भायर लोकांची बरीच गर्दी. येरादारी खात्यान फायन भरपाक 7 दिसांची मुदत दिल्ल्यान लोक हैराण. ऑनलायन पेमेंट सिस्टम सद्याक नॉन फंक्शनल आशिल्ल्यान लोकांक आरटीओ ऑफिसान येवपा बगर पर्याय ना म्हूण कांय लोक उलयले. लोकांक वरांच्या वरां उबें रावचें पडिल्ल्यान कित्येकांनी खंत उक्तायला. त्याच प्रमाण एआय बेस्ड ट्रॅफिक सिग्नलाचेरूय लोकांनी नाराजी व्यक्त केल्या. ह्या सिस्टमाक लागून कित्येकांक चुकीचें चलन मेळिल्ल्याचो दावो लोक करतात. हे सिग्नल कन्फ्युजिंग आसा अशेंय कांय जाणांचें म्हणणें.
The government is talking about transparency and if they are talking about transparency पयलो सद्या हांव कितें म्हणटा आदीं कितें जातालें तूं वाहनाच्या वेबसायटीचेर वचत जाल्यार कोणें वायलेशन केलें जाल्यार तुवें नंबर टायप केलो तुका कळटालें नांव कोणाचें पळय तें कोण तो ओनर आहा पळय तो तें तेणी आतां काडलें. आतां थिंगासर एस्ट्रिक्स घालता सो दॅट तें नांव सारकें कळना म्हणून तें काडलें. ओके फायन आहा. आतां कितें जालां कितें तुका आतां वायलेशन पडलें, तुका कॅमेरान दवरलो तो चलन आमकां कित्याक लागून चलन पडला तें आमी एक्चुली आदीं कितें जातालें वेबसायटीचेर वचून कोणें चॅक करूं येता आसलेलें तो चलन कित्याक लागून पडला. एंड यू कॅन कॉन्टेस्ट इट ऑल्सो. यू कॅन ऑल्सो से दॅट मेबी यू हॅव नेवर गॉन ऑन दॅट सायड. पूण हें कितें जालां आतां कॅमेरा दवरता म्हणजे इज इट हॅपनिंग दॅट you are randomly selecting people and giving chalans and then causing this kind of problems to the general public. पळय व्हडले मनीस पळय आहा न्हू आदीं कितें जातालें गाडी कोणें मारली जाल्यार कोणाकोणान चॅक करूं येता आसलेली बाबा त्या कडेन चलन आसा वो ताणें चलन फारीक करूंक ना तें आतां करूंक जायना. आतां तूं हिंगा येवशी हिंगा तूं रेयशी जाल्यार तें म्हणटा वेबसायट डावन आहा. You can't make online payment.
So you have to come physically.
You have to come here and you have to come here to check what is the violation.
What does the message say when you got the message? What did the message say?
You have got 30 days to come and pay here. The message clearly says you have a challan of so number. You are requested to pay the amount of 1,500 whatever it is within 30 days. Otherwise you will be penalized.
Action will be taken.
Action will be taken.
Okay. So now why we could see 2 queues? What was the thing?
No, two queues are there. One is to check. They will check. Okay, what is the fine, and they will give the. They are supposed to give you the channel. Challan. They should give you a print copy. They don't have a print copy. They are saying no, it will take time. So they are not giving you the print copy. So you can't even check where is even here there is no transparency. Then you go and second line is for payment, and payment is only for card holders and credit card holders.
How much time did it take from the time you stood for the queue till the payment?
It took me 1 hour now.
1 hour.
It took me 1 hour to make the payment because they are doing it fast. But why the problem? Now supposing someone has come from Perne, okay, someone has come from Darbandara. He has made a violation here in Panjim. He cannot pay in Darbandara. He has to come to Panjim to pay. So if the online payment was made accessible, then people would have paid the challans, right? They don't have to come here. There are so many people who I have been speaking to, and they have been saying, I have come from Margaon. I have come from Margaon, Agonda, and the violation was somewhere here in Panjim. So now you have to come here and pay. So where is the transparency? Are you trying to take out all the transparency and cause problems to the general public and people who are actually making the payment? Those who are big shots will come here one fine day because the website is down and say, okay, I have no challenge. So this is what is happening.
My name is Francisco Loba. I am from Chapora, Bardez. Okay, I have a challenge at Porvorim. This artificial intelligence is not artificial intelligence. If it is a proper artificial intelligence which signal should have a countdown so that the person who uses the road knows when to stop. Suddenly from green it turns to yellow and suddenly it turns to red.
What happened in your case?
My case, within fraction of a second, the signal changed, and then I was issued a challan.
Do you accept the challan?
I accepted because I don't want to get in more trouble because they will send me to the court and then I will have to go again to the court and then they will increase the fine. So that is why I am doing this. I don't want to be. The thing is artificial intelligence is for looting the people. If that is a proper artificial intelligence, then each signal should have a countdown. Then it is a proper artificial intelligence. No signal have a countdown. That is what has to be changed.
And
then
why you had to come here? You could not make online payment?
No, I could not make online payment. I went in Maksar to the RTO office and then inquired about it. I got a message. Then from there I came here to pay.
Forwarding. Actually, I have not broken the signal even once. Once there was a challan for me for breaking that signal near Sai service. Actually, Sai service I had not broken. Just after going, they take the photograph from backside. Immediately that yellow comes and then there is a challan issued for you on the online. I have already paid that actually, but I think that something should be done about it. Twice, I think many people have the same complaints. Everybody is complaining the same thing. At Sai service, they should have a countdown, like the person said. They should have a countdown over there for the signal. That's what I want to say. That's it.
माझें नांव विद्याधर नायक. हांव रेजिडेंट ऑफ विल्लोसा. परवरी वतना ते साई सर्जरी सिग्नल पडटा टाक करून विथीन 1 सेकंड आनी जर आमी थांबले आमकां फाटल्यान मुकतले. ताका टायमर इम्पॉर्टंट टायमर आनी फाटल्यान येलो पडटा ते नंबर प्लेट क्लिक करता आनी आमकां फायन येता आनी सेकंड टायम फायन करून आनी हांगा जर येयल्यार तेंचे ऑनलायन चलना घराकडच्यान मुखेल म्हाजे गेले फावटी हांवें बरोबर ट्राय केली घराच्यान म्हाजें ब्लॉक जालें म्हणटा हांगा येयलो तुजें ब्लॉक जालें म्हणलें एका म्हयन्यान परत रिलीज जाता येवंक पडलें आतां रिलीज जालें आतां भरल्या पेशंट
कितलो टायम लागतो तुका हिंगच्यान लायनीक रावपाक पेमेंट सर?
ऑलमोस्ट 1 आवराच्या वर लागता.
आनी तो पे करून नाल्यार मागीर कितें?
पे करतले जाल्यार मागीर ते परत येतले न्हू जाल्यार मागीर कोर्टाक वतले. कोर्टाक नासतलो कोण ते ऑनलायन तरी चालू स्मार्ट सिटी स्मार्ट सीएम म्हणटा सगळें पूण तुका हे पळय 500 रुपया करून येना.
हांव जेन्ना लायनीक रावलो तुवें म्हणलें आनी खूब आहले सेम इशू घेवन.
सो खूब आशिल्ले.
कितले लोक कशे आहले तुजे?
आतां सायबाक भितर मेळून गेलो हांव सायबाक सांगलें हांवें की तो म्हणटा दिल्ली साकून येयला हांवें तांकां आमकां कांय ना आमकां सांगलें फक्त पयशे कलेक्ट करता.
म्हाका एक सांग परवरी सर्कला कडेन प्रॉब्लेम जाता?
हय परवरी सर्कल ताका टायमर ना.
एका टायमर ना.
हे सायड पेंजीम टू म्हापसा वयता त्या टायमर ना. त्या टायमराक लागून प्रॉब्लेम जाता.
ग्रिनाच्यान डायरेक्ट रेड जाता?
ते रेड ना पयले येलो पीक येलो वता मरे आनी मागीर रेड जाता. पीक येलो म्हणजे कितें
पळोवना
यू कॅन गो स्टॉप सामकें येलो जाय सो स्टॉप. पीक येलो जाता म्हणजे पीक ग्रीनूय जाता. सिग्नल वेगळी आसता एक बाबा रेड जाल्यार रेड जावपा जाय ग्रीन जाल्यार ग्रीन जावपा जाय पीक जावपा जायना.